Ma'am is not gay.
Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning, madam.
Is the screen visible to you, both question and Word document?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. In our previous class, we discussed about partnership accounts, the basics of partnership accounts, right?
Ma'am, medium link ఇచ్చారు కదా.
కాదమ్మా ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం అమ్మా ఇది. ఐఎమ్ ఫర్ ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం.
లింక్ అదే ఇచ్చారు మ్యామ్ తెలుగు మీడియం వాళ్ళకు కూడా.
అంటే బహుశా మరి ఇద్దరికి కలిపి ఏమైనా ఇస్తున్నారేమో. మీకు ఏ లింక్ అనేది నాకు ఐడియా ఉండదు. నాకు ఇచ్చిన మీడియం బట్టి ఐ విల్ జాయిన్ ద లింక్.
తెలుగులో ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తే బాగుంటుంది.
ఐ హావ్ బీన్ గివెన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం
కానీ తెలుగు మీడియం సపరేట్ లేదు కదా మేడం.
అంటే మాకు యూనివర్సిటీ నుంచి ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్ రాలేదు. మాకు వచ్చిన ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్ ఏంటంటే తెలుగు మీడియం సెపరేట్, ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం సెపరేట్. సో ఐఎమ్ సపోజ్ టు అండ్ ఎక్స్పెక్టెడ్ టు టేక్.
మేడం కానీ రెండు మార్నింగ్ క్లాసు ఈ క్లాసు ఒకటే దగ్గర లింక్స్ వచ్చినాయి మేడం. మాకు మార్నింగ్ క్లాస్ తెలుగులో జరిగింది, ఇప్పుడు ఇంగ్లీష్ లో జరుగుతుంది.
That you have to clarify with the university. Sir, I'll try my best. No. Okay, shall we start?
Ma'am. Hello.
చెప్పండమ్మా.
మ్యామ్ నిన్న ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశారు కదా పార్ట్నర్స్ ఆఫ్ క్యాపిటల్ అకౌంట్, ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయరా?
మళ్ళీ చేస్తే మీకు సమ్స్ ఎలా అవుతాయమ్మా? రిపిటేషన్. ఐ జస్ట్ గివ్ ద ఓవర్వ్యూ ఇస్తాను.
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
Okay. Our previous class, we discussed about partnership basics. Generally, partnership form is based on the agreement. This agreement can be oral or written. Oral agreement may give a chance of disputes. So partners go for a written agreement called partnership deed. But certain times, in absence of partnership deed, what are the terms and conditions? How do partners has to follow their adjustments relating to the profits or interest on capitals and all? In Partnership Act, there are certain provisions given relating to that. So Partnership Act says the adjustments relating to this on. So here, provisions of Partnership Act in absence of partnership deed. Generally, Partnership Act says if there is no partnership deed, then all partners should get equally. The profit sharing must be equally. So equally, profits and losses to be shared. Next, no partner will be paid interest on capital or interest on drawings. Means that is no interest on capital, no interest on drawings. Next, no salary and commission to any partner. Finally, partner, what you call if a firm interest on loan from the partner to be paid at a 6% per annum. These are the provisions of Partnership Act with regard to profit sharing, interest on capital, and interest on drawings and loan. Okay, so I'll repeat once again. Provisions of Partnership Act in absence of partnership deed, profits and losses to be shared equally, no interest on capital is paid, no interest on drawings charged, no salary and commission to the partners, but firm pays 6% per annum interest on the loan from partner. These are the provisions which are supposed to be remembered while doing the partnership accounts. Next thing is that generally final accounts means till now in your first and 2 semesters, whatever you learned the final accounts, under that you will prepare trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. Right? Because those are for a sole trader form of business. Only one owner, he himself, when a single individual is there, that whatever the benefits are there, entire profit is added to his capital in the balance sheet. But here in partnership business, there involves more than one partner, one owner. That is 2 or more members can be the owners who we call as the partners. So in partnership accounts, after preparation of the profit and loss account and before preparation of the balance sheet, we prepare 2 other accounts. Those are one, profit and loss appropriation account, which shows partners' profit adjustments of partners from the profits before distributing the final profit. Next account is partners' capital accounts. Partners' capital accounts partners capital accounts are adjustments relating the partners. We show the adjustments relating to the partners through partners capital accounts, and finally whatever the balance we get, that's going to be shown in the balance sheet under the each of the partners capital account. Okay, here, so in our previous class we learned about how to prepare this profit and loss appropriation account and how to prepare the partners capital accounts. Generally, partners capital accounts two types: fixed capital account, current capital account. Okay, fixed capital account means under the fixed capital method we open two capital accounts. Under current capital method we open only one account. All the adjustments are shown under the current capital account in one capital account of the partners. So about these two I didn't mention in our previous class because while doing the problems we will come across of under the admission, retirement and dissolution of the firm. Okay, so instead of here we discuss and waste our time while doing the problems, practically you will come to know about that. That's why specifically I didn't specify about those two. Now, so today's class we are going to discuss about we are going to work out upon preparation of final accounts in a partnership firms. Here is the question which I'm sharing with you. I hope this is visible to you all. Question is visible, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Look at the question. Sridhar and Kiran are partners sharing profits and losses in the proportion of 3/5 and 2/5 respectively. The under-mentioned balances were extracted from their books on 31st December 2017. And we have been provided information relating to Sridhar capital and drawings, Kiran capital and drawings, Goodwill, Sundry Creditors, bills payable, office furniture, Sundry debtors, rent, gross profit. Okay, gross profit has been given here. That means we need not to prepare trading account. Postage and telegram, advertising, stock at the end, 31st December. And cash in hand, telephone, salaries, printing and stationery, commission, traveling expenses, motor vans, plant and machinery. And closing stock is given in the trial balance. That means it is an asset. When closing stock given in trial balance asset, we take directly in the balance sheet. Now, adjustments. Sorry?
Record the class.
Sorry?
Please on the record.
We cannot do the recording. Already YouTube recording is started. So after class, one day after the class, you can go back to the YouTube recording. Yeah. So look at the adjustments now. First one, write off 250 from office furniture, 10% on plant and machinery, 20% on motor vans. That is depreciation. Create reserve 5% on sundry debtors for bad debts. Write off 1/5 of the advertising expenses. Partners entitled interest on capital 5%. Kiran is entitled to salary of 1800, and we are asking to prepare profit final accounts of the partners. Shall we start? See,
Yes, ma'am.
profit and loss account we do as normally, like how you did in your first two semesters, the final accounts, profit and loss account, same way. Okay, here I am opening a table. Right? Put the heading profit and loss account. Of who are these partners? Kiran and Sridhar and Kiran. For the year ending 31st December 2017. Right? Table. And taking only 4 columns. This is the debit part. is the credit part. Right. And here,
particulars and amount.
very good. Rupees. Right. We'll go in the order. So first, what I'm doing, first from the trial balance, what all comes in the profit and loss account, I'll take. See, and what are the adjustments we have for bad debts, assets, advertising expenses, only only advertising expenses. We need to remember the adjustment from the trial balance items. So now let us see the stable office furniture sundry debtors rent. Rent on debit side. So we take here. What is the amount of rent? 3,750. I hope you all know this preparation of final accounts. Gross profit will come on the credit side of a profit and loss account because he reduced your work by giving gross profit. So you need not to prepare for a trading account, 57,200. The next, postage and telegrams. Postage and telegrams, 500. Then advertising. Advertising, as we just discussed, has an adjustment. So 9,000 advertising. Advertising is 9,000. What he said about advertising in the question, write off 1/5 of the advertising expenses. 1/5 of advertising, 9,000 is how much? One-fifth of 9,000 is how much? By 5 means calculators. I told you all 1,800. Is it 1,800?
Yes, ma'am, 1,800.
So
Have to deduct.
yes, very good. 9,000 minus 1,800. So you will get 7,200. 7,200. Right? Now,
Yes, ma'am.
advertising closing stock we will not take in profit and loss account. Cash in hand will not come. Telephone charges is an indirect expense. Expense. Telephone charges means expense. Expense will take here. What is the amount? 500. Next, what do you have? Salaries. Right? Salaries. Do salaries have any adjustment? No. See here, Kiran is entitled to salary 1,800 per annum, but here the salary belong to partner. Partner salary we will not take in the forms profit and loss account. Partner did any adjustment we will show only in a profit and loss appropriation account. Understood? So that salary of a partner will not show here under the salary. So only salary given in the trial balance we will take. So what is the amount? 1220. 12,250. Next we have printing and stationery.
Ma'am, you enter 1250.
I'll adjust. Printing and stationery. Next item is printing and stationery 740. Means it's an expense. Printing and stationery is nothing but expense. Next, commission paid. Very clearly he mentioned it is paid. So debit side. Commission paid. What is the amount? 5,000. and he didn't mention commission given in the trial balance means it forms a related commission. Traveling expenses. Next one is expense. So we take in profit and loss account 2000. Next one, motor vans asset, plant and machinery asset. That's all from the trial balance. From trial balance, all expenses that come in profit and loss account we have taken. Now come to the adjustments. In adjustment, first one is what? Write off 250 from office furniture, which is nothing but depreciation. So depreciation on furniture first. What is the amount of depreciation? What he said to write off? 250. The next, 10% on plant and machinery. So plant and machinery at 10%. So 10% on plant and machinery. What is amount? 10,000. So how much you get? 1,000.
1,000.
20% on motor vans. So motor van at 20% on what is the value of motor van? 20,860. So what is the amount? 20% means 172, right? 4172. Calculator.
Madam, 4,172.
So first bit is over. Next additional information is what? Create a reserve of 5% on sundry debtors. So he's asking you to create a reserve. That is reserve for bad debts. Reserve for at 5% on debtors. What is the amount of debtors? 40,500. 40,500. So what is the amount? 10,125. No. 10% means 4,450 means 2,025.
25. 2,000.
25.
2,025.
Right? Next. Second bit over. Third bit is write off 1/5 of the advertising expenses that we did already. The next, partners entitled to interest on capital. Interest on capital. Do we take here? Do
No,
we
in
take?
balance sheet.
No.
No is correct, but where do we take?
Ma'am,
In
balance sheet.
Additional information 2 times now. 1 time balance sheet. Then where do you take second time?
Partners capital account.
Actually, under partners account, the last two whatever are their partners salary and interest on capitals. These two we will not. We will take in profit and loss appropriation account and partners capital account. Very good. So here profit and loss account we will not take. Right? Okay. Now do the totaling and tell me the gross profit, the net profit or net loss. The debit total.
37,362.
Debit total?
37,362.
Okay. So, what is the difference? It is a net profit only. So, but what is the amount?
37,000.
Emma? Debit total is 37,362. Credit total is 57,200. So credit is more than debit. That means net profit. What is the amount of net profit?
14,838.
57,200 minus
20,162, ma'am.
30.
20,20, 20. 162. 20,162, ma'am, net profit.
I'm getting 37,068. No, Neha, Acha, you are telling net profit.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is the debit total asked?
Ma'am, debit total is 39,387.
1 second. 39,000. 30. How come 39,000 it is? Do carefully, children. 3,750 plus 500 plus 7,200
Yes,
plus
ma'am. It was
5,
39,387.
12,250 plus 740 plus 5,000 plus 2,000 plus 250.
Ma'am, net profit is 17,813 rupees.
Yes, plus 4,172 plus 2,025 equals to 39,387 is the
Debit total.
debit total.
Ma'am, net profit is 17,813.
I got the same thing, but I heard different values, so I got down. 17,813 is your net profit.
Net profit.
And this is the value which we got. So highlight it. Done. Now, usually in previously what we used to do after profit and loss account, directly we used to open balance sheet.
Balance sheet.
But now we are going to do
శ్రీనివాసన ఎందుకు
once again.
రీజన్ రావడం లేదా సార్ ఓకే
But in partnership accounts, after profit and loss account, before doing balance sheet, we are supposed to open profit and loss appropriation account and capitals account. So let us open profit and loss appropriation account. Okay. So insert table. Again, this is the debit part. This is the credit part. What we take first, we got net profit, right? So that net profit we will take on the credit side from here to here. So what we from where you are taking that from profit and loss account. So profit and loss account, net profit. What is the amount? 17,813. Okay, so done. Now we are asked to calculate interest on capital. Right? So here, all the partners are getting interest on capital. So who are the partners? We have two partners, Sridhar. So Sridhar capital account and a Kiran capital account. Kiran okay. So what is Sridhar's capital? 65,000. Upon that, 5%. 65,000, 5% of Sridhar's capital. So what is the amount? 3,250. This is for, actually you are supposed to write capital account, okay, not interest on capital. Okay, see the capital 3,250. And next for Kiran, upon Kiran's capital is 40,000, 5% means 2,000. Okay, now next Kiran is getting a salary of 800. So Kiran's capital account for salary 1,800 per annum, he said. So directly we take 1,800. Done? Now the difference, take the difference. Which side is more? This is 17,000. Credit is more than the debit. So the difference amount goes to partners capital accounts. So balancing figure we will write partners capital account on debit side. Balancing figure. So first who? Sridhar. Okay. Next, Kiran. What is the difference? Calculate. The total of debit is 3,250 plus 2,000 plus 1,800. The total of debit is 7,050. Right? 7,050. 7,050. Credit is 17,813. 10,763 is supposed to be total profit transferable to 10,763 total profit transferable to partners capital. But what is the share of Sridhar and what is the share of Kiran? We are supposed to calculate. So 10,763. In the beginning of the question, it was given, see, Sridhar, Kiran, partners sharing profits and losses in the proportion of 3/5 and 2/5. That means 3:2. So 3/5 and 2/5. So Sridhar is going to get 3/5 of 10,763. So 10,763 into 3/5. You will get 6,457.8. 6,457.8 means let us take 458. And Kiran is going to get 2/5 of 10,763 into 2/5 of 7,263. So Kiran's share is 4,305. 4,305 rupees is the Kiran's share. So the total 10,763. Okay. So now the total amount we'll put. So profit and loss appropriation account done. Understood, everyone? Okay. What we did? Profit and loss appropriation account we prepared. Now, after profit and loss appropriation, we need to prepare one more account called partners capital account. Right? Partners capital account. So this partners capital accounts now we open. Again, open table in prepare a table. How many partners are there? 2 partners. Okay, 6 amount the column. So for the partners we have Kiran, who is he? Sridhar and Kiran, debit side, and this is the credit side. Okay, and this is first Sridhar, then Kiran. The credit side also same order. Sridhar, then Kiran. Particulars. Okay. Now, first in partners capital account, what we are supposed to do? First, we are supposed to take their capital balances that are given in the partners capital account, so that are given in the trial balance. So, what is the Sridhar's capital? 65,000. Sridhar's capital is 65,000. And Kiran's capital given as 40,000. We just calculated. So what we should write here? Balance, because these are the balances of the partners' capitals from the previous year. So balance brought down. Okay. The next, what we are supposed to take? What do we have? Drawings of both the partners. So on credit side, debit side, we take the drawings. So drawings account. So Sridhar drawings are 4,000 and Kiran drawings are 3,000. Okay. Drawings we take drawings account only. Next, belong to these 2 partners. What do we have? Just now in the partners, profit and loss appropriation. We see Sridhar capital, interest on capital and Kiran capital are there now. These 2 debit side we took on the profit and loss appropriation account. So here we should take on the credit side in the partners capital account. But what you write here, from where you are taking these interest on capitals of Sridhar and Kiran, from which account you are taking? From profit and loss appropriation account you are taking. So on the opposite side, that is their debit side, so here credit side, and you are taking from the profit and loss appropriation account. So you should write profit and loss appropriation account. This is for what? For interest on capital. So what is the Sridhar's share of interest on capital? 3,250. 3,250. And Kiran is 2,000. Okay. Next, what do we have? Kiran's salary. Kiran salary means only salary, only Kiran is getting. So which side? Here it is debit side. So in capital account, we take on credit side. And from where you are taking that amount? From profit and loss appropriation account. So we write profit and loss appropriation account salary. So only Kiran is getting. So Kiran is getting how much? 1,800. Done. Now next, this balancing figure, partners capital account, we wrote the balance net profit, distributable profit. This is, so this again also has to be transferred to the capital accounts. It is on debit side of profit and loss appropriation account. So we take it on the credit side. From where you are taking P&L appropriation. So we write P&L appropriation. And Sridhar is how much? Sridhar is getting 6,458. 6,458. And this Kiran is getting 4,305. 4,305. And anything else? Nothing. So we don't have the interest on drawings are not given to us. So we don't take anything. Now what we are supposed to do? Find the balances. Find the difference in the balances. So let us do first is Kiran. Sorry, first Sridhar. Sridhar's credit total is how much? Add 65,000 plus 3,250 plus 6,458. So Kiran's credit total, Sridhar's credit total is 74,708. Okay. And debit total is 4,000. So the difference is 70,708. So put the difference amount 70,708. Now Kiran's one. Let us do the Kiran's total. Kiran credit total 40,000 plus 2,000 plus 1,800 plus 4,305. So Kiran's total is credit side 48,105. And the debit side is 3,000 minus that. So the difference is 45,105, which is the closing balance of Sridhar and Kiran's. So what you should write? Balance carried down. Balancing figure. This is balancing figure. Okay. So this whatever you got, this is the value which you got here by doing so. So these figures you are going to take in the balance sheet under the capitals of partners. Okay. Now, after all adjustments, their capitals have been changed, increased their values to this extent. So showing all these adjustments in the capital account is difficult, in the balance sheet is difficult. So generally in partnership accounts, we prepare partners capital account separately. Understood? Right. Now, let us do balance sheet. Our final one, balance sheet. Balance sheet again is as usual, like how you do in normal final accounts while preparing, same way. So put the heading balance sheet of Sridhar and Kiran as on 31st December 2017. Make a table. 4 columns. We'll take 6 columns to show the adjustments. Liabilities. Rupees. Assets. Rupees. Right? So now let us start from the capital balances, liability side with the capital balances of Sridhar and see, usually under final accounts, till what you learned in a balance sheet, while taking the capital, we add the net profit, we subtract the drawings, and then we'll show. Now no need, because all the adjustments we did here. So we can take directly capitals of partners. Sridhar capital. What is the Sridhar capital we got? 70,708. 70,708. Then, sorry. Next, Kiran Capital. What is the Kiran's capital? 45,105. This is also for 70,708. Yeah. So as we started with the liabilities part, let us continue with the liabilities only. Okay. No need. Or we'll go in the order that are given in the balance sheet. Sorry, trial balance. Okay. So now capitals are over. Drawings we will not take because only one time, which we already took in the partners capital account. What is the next one? Goodwill. So where do we take goodwill? Goodwill we take on the asset side, right? So what is the goodwill? No adjustment, 40,000. The next we have Sundry Creditors, which comes on the liability side. So what is the amount of creditors? Creditors also known as 14,500. Next, bills payable, also liability. Payable, so liability. 8,900. Next, office furniture. We are asset. Furniture has the adjustment. So, furniture. What is the amount of furniture? 5,000. And depreciation. See, depreciation, right of furniture 250, which is nothing but depreciation. We took in a profit and loss account. So what is the amount? 5,000 minus 250, 4,750. After every adjustment correction, you are supposed to underline that. So that adjustment is only belongs to that particular item. 4,750. Next, what do you have after furniture? Debtors. So debtors, asset. For debtors also we have adjustment. So 40,500 debtors. Upon that, 5% reserve we created. So reserve for bad debts. How much we calculated? Look into the profit and loss account. Debtors we calculated. How much you got? Debtors 2025. So subtract that 2025. So how much you get? 40,000. 2,975. 40,000. Sorry. 40,475. Sorry. Is the calculator? 38,475. 38,475. Okay. Now, next, what do you have? Rent, we already took. Whatever the items you complete now, put the ticks in the question while doing exam. Gross profit are done. Now, postage, telegram over, advertising over, stock. Stock means 31st December, which is closing stock. So what is the closing stock? 12,500. Next, what do you have? Cash in hand. What is the amount of cash in hand? 16,000. Next, telephone charges not come, salary over, printing over, commission over, traveling over, motor vans. Next, we have motor van. Motor van has adjustment. So 20,860. And what adjustment we have? What adjustment we have? Depreciation. So depreciation. How much you got? Depreciation we already calculated here. See, depreciation on motor van. 4,172. So take that 4,172. Subtract that 4,172 from 20,860. $16,688. How much? 16,688. Okay. Then you have next plant and machinery, right? So what is the value of plant and machinery? 10,000. Even plant and machinery has adjustment, that is depreciation. So depreciation. What is the depreciation on plant and machinery? Look into the profit and loss account. Depreciation on plant and machinery 1,000. So subtract 1,000. So how much you get? 9,000. Right? So from trial balance, everything we took, and additional information, furniture depreciation, plant, motor van depreciation we did, reserve for depreciation, bad debts we did, advertising expenses, write off 1/5 he said. Writing off advertising expenses means prepaid. Writing off subtracted. Subtracted means prepaid, right? So prepaid means asset. So prepaid advertising. How much? We written off 1/5 of advertising expenses. How much we got? 1,800. So 1,800 you take here directly. Write off means subtract. Subtracted when you subtract when it is prepaid. So it comes on the asset side. Okay. Now partners interest on capital salary we took a one time in profit and loss appropriation account and one time in capital accounts. So every item from the trial balance and from additional information we have taken, then we completed our balance sheet. So now do the total and tell me balance sheet tallied or not. Our time is getting up also, so you can unmute yourself and can so number less. Can someone? Can unmute and tell me. So let us do first on liability side. 70,708 plus 45,105 plus 14,500 plus 8,900. So what is the liabilities total? 39,213. So let us see now the assets total 40,000 plus 4,750 plus 38,475 plus 12,500 plus 16,000 plus 16,688 plus 9,000 plus 1,800. 1,39,213. So got tallied? Did you find any difficulty? This is the total. You can unmute and can respond, ma'am. Yes, balance sheet tallied. So what is the difference we got here? Only the preparation of partners capital account and profit and loss appropriation account. If you get these two, you will able to know. Okay. These are the values we calculated. Yes, if you can respond. If you have any doubts, you can respond now. Now you all responded nicely. I'm very happy for that. Yes. Yeah, I'm sharing screen. 1 second. Yeah, you can take question as well as answer. First, you take the screenshot of question. I'll try to share this if possible. Take fast. If screen means if they not disconnect, I'll send you the link. Question also important. And now take screenshot of answer. Profit and loss appropriation account. This is the one. Complete profit and loss appropriation account. I hope you all took the screenshot. Next, profit and loss appropriation account. P&L account you are taken, and now this is profit and loss appropriation account. Now, partners capital account. Take only partners capital account. Okay. After partners capital account, balance sheet. Done? Yes, you have to show net profit also. We show net profit in a not in balance sheet. Net profit not in balance sheet. Net profit we take in, we distribute to the partners. We take in profit and loss appropriation account. We do adjustments to the net profit with the salary, commission, interest on capitals, and interest on drawings. And then we will get a final net profit, which is distributed in the profit sharing ratio to the partners. I'll write here how do you distribute it. Partners capital profit in 3:2 ratio. Okay. The balance sheet tallied or not. Don't bother about the textbook answers. Okay. 1,44,613. Where from they get? You just do once and click mark. Anything else? Do you have anything else? Done. Okay, thank you, children. Thank you for being here. And next class, we do the other sum from textbook. You can practice other sums. This is long answer question. I think 12 marks. In exam, you will get this for 12 marks. Take the simple questions from previous question papers. If you have the previous question papers, practice from the previous question papers. This question is there. Question I'm sharing. Is the question. The next 1 second. Just now I uploaded this. Where is it?